Hello and welcome to another 3-minute craft. I'm going to do my best to do this one in 3 minutes, but having not challenged myself at all last time, I've gone a bit overboard this time, I think. Many apologies for there not being an upload yesterday. We were busy out and about putting packs together of crafts and activities to deliver in our local community, so we're doing 2 uploads a day to make up for it. Right, so we are going to have a go at making pom-poms. We're out here back in the back garden again, largely because the house looks like a poltergeist fought us on the wreck of the Hesperus and we lost, but also it's a lovely sunny day. So this we have every year as our Easter tree, and we always put Easter decorations on it. So this year I thought we'd put some pom-poms on. Now, if you are lucky at home, you may have one of these or one of these, which is a pom-pom maker. My friend Jackie gave me those, which is awesome. But if you don't have one of those, but you do have one of these, you've probably got lots of empty one of those, maybe not many full ones, you can use one of these instead. So first thing we're going to do is flatten out the tube, and then we are going to cut a strip like that, and then we're going to take some wool, and we need to leave a dangly tail, and we are going to wrap it round somewhere between 50 and 100 times, but with this I'm just going to wrap it around as much string as I've got, so I'm not pulling it too tight, just wrapping it round. Oh, it's going to get tangled up. There we go. We'll just call that enough for this demonstration. Okay, I'm going to cut it off. Now, I'm going to take this thread and thread it through this piece, this side, and I'm going to take this piece and wrap it through this side. And then I'm going to take it off and I'm going to wrap it around the middle and tie it off like that. And then when I cut the ends, I end up with a fluffy pom-pom. Now even that, I think personally, is more complicated than it needs to be. So my favourite way of making a pom-pom is to take your hand, even if you haven't got any toilet rolls or you haven't got any pom-pom makers, hopefully you've got your hands, and spread your fingers apart like this. You need to leave a dangly tail about, is that about a foot? I don't know, about that much, okay? And you hold it around like that, and you're going to wrap it around again between 50 and 100 times, not pulling it too tight. I have no idea how many times that is. Let's call it 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. You get a nice fluffy pom-pom if you do it 100 times. You get, well, this kind of pom-pom if you do it 50 times. So now I'm going to take this thread and poke it between 2 of my fingers here. I'm going to take it all the way around the whole wool. And I'm going to wrap that round about 3 times. That's 1, 2, 3. I'm pulling it tight each time, and then I'm going to take the other side. I'm going to wrap that round the other way. So I'm going to go 1, 2, way more than 3 minutes. 2, 3, and then I am going to tie them together. So I take them off my fingers like that, tie them together. A reef knot is a good knot to use for this. It doesn't really matter what way you tie it. Nice and tight. And then I leave my dangly cords there. I cut through all of the loops. It looks like a bow at the moment. Like so. Tie the 2 ends together like this, which makes my hanging string. Give it a good old fluff and hang it on my tree. Et voila, pom-pom. It would even be a nice fluffy pom-pom if I'd wrapped it around a few too many times. So there we go. That might give you an idea. Why not make your own Easter tree in your own garden? Thank you. Bye.